This is a non-family abduction. The suspect is identified as David Lopez. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Areli Arroyo Osuna. She is 14 years old and was wearing denim pants, denim jacket, white Nikes, black shirt, carrying large white bag. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is 4 feet 7 inches tall and weighs about 90 pounds. The abduction happened at Magna. The suspect was driving a black Nissan Altima. If you have any information, please call police at 385-468-9858 or simply dial 911.